Okay everybody, here we have some nice chicken thighs. We're going to just season real nicely. Splash a little oil. Alright, beautiful. We're going to add some basil. We're going to add some salt. Alright. And some black pepper. Get that black pepper in there. We're just going to mix this around. Excellent. Just mix it nicely. We want these flavors to all come together. That's the idea. So we're going to mix this up nicely, press it in, and put it on the side. Now we have a nice hot pan. I put oil in it, as you can see. Let's put our minced garlic in there. All right, put that going. Remember that seasoned chicken we talked about? Let's get that in there. All right, cook this up. All right, that's what we want to do. Cook everything together. Got our garlic in there. Let's just cook all this together, okay? Till it's fully cooked. All right? Okay, here we have it. This is just what we want. Make sure your chicken is nice and cooked, and then you add in your wonderful onions, sliced onions. Get that in there. Cook that down. Yes. All right, excellent. Now we're going to add our wonderful sliced bell peppers. Yes, give that nice little sweet touch. Cook this all in. I'm telling you, this is a meal right there by itself. Cook all that in. I'll be right back with you, show you exactly how we want it. Cook it down. Get those flavors together. Don't be shy. All right, guys, here you have it. Delicious. Give it a taste. If it needs, let's see if it needs a little salt and pepper to taste. Let's check it out. Oh, wow. This is delicious with this wonderful, sweet, natural flavors. Sliced bell peppers. The basil is delicious. This is it, guys. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.